In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Trello card without archiving it. If you've ever found yourself needing to quickly remove a card from your Trello board without the hassle of going through the archive list, I'm here to guide you through a straightforward method that will save you some time. While Trello doesn't provide an option to directly delete a card from the board without archiving it first, there is a quick and easy workaround that skips the lengthy process of navigating through your archive list. To begin, the first thing you need to do is locate and open the card you want to delete on your Trello board. This is your standard step to accessing the card's options. Once you have the card open, you'll notice a three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options icon, located at the top right area of the card. Go ahead and click on this icon. With that click, you'll see a drop-down menu that offers several options, helping you manage your card more effectively. From here, what you want to do is select the Archive option. Now, I understand that we're talking about deleting without archiving, but this is a small step that helps bring up the Delete option quickly and effectively. Once you've selected Archive, something magical happens. An option to delete appears right there, and it does so immediately. So, without hesitation, click on Delete. And just like that, the card is removed from your board. It's a simple three-step process that ensures the card is gone without having to sift through archives or clutter. This method not only clears unnecessary steps in your workflow, but also helps keep your board organized without the need for additional plugins or extensions. Just remember, once you hit delete, the action is permanent. This means the card is not only removed from your board, but also not retrievable. So make sure you're entirely certain before you confirm the deletion. By following these steps, you can maintain a streamlined and efficient process for managing the tasks and projects on your Trello boards. This approach is particularly useful when you want to quickly declutter or manage your space without the often cumbersome process of archiving first. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to manage your Trello cards without the need to dive into the archives. By incorporating this method into your routine, your Trello experience can become more intuitive and less repetitive, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your projects. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.